Conclave 2025 Drone Show. A tribute to Odisha's unmatched legacy and limitless potential. Odisha, a blessed land under the divine gaze of Lord Jagannath, is thriving with faith, culture and devotion. Odisha's cultural heartbeat resonates with the blessings of the Trimurti, guiding the state towards peace and prosperity. Grounded in faith and heritage, Odisha today stands tall, confident in its resilience and reassured in its strength. Ladies and gentlemen, Odisha, a land that breathes beauty and its vibrant culture of art, handicrafts, handlooms, cuisine, music and dance mesmerizes the world. Odissi, the most well-known of dance forms from this ancient state, is a testament to the artistry of its people and the rich legacy of the state. Born from the temples of Odisha, every step of Odissi is a prayer, every movement a hymn to the divine. Odisha's traditional art form echoes its ancient soul, telling stories that near investment destination in the eastern part of the nation. Odisha is already ranked among the best states for ease of doing business, with an efficient single window clearance system and a host of other incentives, schemes and subsidies that has created a business-friendly ecosystem in the state. The rising sun of India calls upon the nation and the world to be a part of our journey toward greatness. Ladies and gentlemen, Odisha is a strategic hub for global trade opportunities. Boundless potential, rich mineral reserves, natural resources have made Odisha the industrial heart of eastern India. From the steel that builds nation to the energy that powers dreams. Today, Odisha's world-class infrastructure is shining with smart cities, industrial corridors and business breeding ports, shaping the genesis of a bold new India with rising investments in IT, tourism, pharmaceuticals, green energy initiatives and many more. The world-class transport infrastructure, Odisha leading from the front, the double-engine government of Odisha is committed to build an inclusive future. Under the guidance of Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi and propelled by the able leadership of Chief Minister Shri Mohan Charan Majhi, the state is driving the core of India's growth. The seamless synergy of the state and central governments is paving the path for transformation across an industry. From renewable energy and biotechnology to IT and hospitality. This is the Odisha of today. United, strong, has turned into the grand gateway of ASEAN markets. Odisha's ports are the lifelines of its vision, connecting it to the world with pride. These waters have carried trade, culture and stories for centuries, anchoring Odisha in global greatness. Every ship that sails from its shores carries a piece of Odisha's indomitable spirit. From the rich earth is a mineral treasure trove, powering the nation's growth with its unparalleled mining capabilities. Home to 96% of India's chromite reserves and over so do opportunities for its people. Make in Odisha is a mission that fundamentally empowers the state's people, giving every hand a purpose and every heart a reason to dream. A new and Samruddha Odisha is taking shape that has the infrastructure, skill and resolve to create a state that leads the world in innovation and excellence. Together the cultural strength of the Konark Sun Temple with the cause of Odisha's new industrial revolution, harnessing both the divine energies of Lord Jagannath and the vibrant innovation of a skilled workforce. Looking to India, we have become the 5th largest economy in the world, driven by the resolve to make in India and rely on our civilizational knowledge and self-confidence to chart our own paths to progress. We no longer look outward for inspiration.